Perineal repair tools will be discussed in this video. The needle holders are used for holding suturing needles securely. They ensure precision during tissue approximation. Examples of needle holders include Mayo-Hager needle holder and Olson-Hager needle holder. The tissue forceps are used to grasp, stabilize, and manipulate tissues. Tissue forceps help maintain control during suturing. The types of tissue forceps include tooth and non-tooth forceps. Scissors are used for sharp dissection and trimming of the tissues. These are essential for precise tissue handling. Examples of scissors include the Mayo scissors and Metzenben scissors. Retractors are used to expose deeper structures. They improve visualization during repair. The types of retractors include Doynes and Breeski retractors. So this was a short video about essential perineal repair tool. Subscribe on Obs Gynae. Follow the Facebook page of on Obs Gynae. And if there is any query in your mind, write in the comment section of this video.